Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Now let us start our social science class. Okay children, so all of you listen. Okay. In previous class we have written some classwork. Yes. Fill in the blanks and first question answer. Yes. Fill in the blanks and first only one question answer we have written. Yes, in previous class. Now let us continue our classwork note. Okay, let us continue our classwork. So all of you take your classwork note. So all of you take your classwork note, children. Take your classwork fast. Have you taken? Check your social science classwork. Do you know your social science classwork? Single line note 200 page. Did I say already? Single line note 200 page. Big note. Yes. Did I say? Check fast. Single line note 200 page. Social science classwork. Classwork and homework. Also we have to use a same note. Only one note we have to use classwork and homework also. Social science classwork and homework we have to write a same note. Okay, one note you divide two. The front pages are used for classwork and your back pages is for use for your homework. Write your homework. Okay, the front pages are used for write the classwork and back pages are used for write the homework. ஒரு நோட்டை ரெண்டா பிரிச்சுக்கணும். முன்னாடி இருக்கிற பக்கங்கள் எல்லாம் கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் எழுதணும், பின்னாடி இருக்கிற பக்கங்கள் எல்லாம் என்ன செய்யணும்? ஹோம்ஒர்க் எழுதணும். ஏற்கனவே அப்படிதானே எழுதியிருப்பீங்க. ஓகே, வெரி குட். Now have you taken? Okay, now already we have written fill in the blanks, missing letters, jumble letters and question answers also. Yes, have you written? All of you, have you written? Now today we have to continue our classwork. Okay, already first question answer finished. Now we have to write second question answer. Okay children, so all of you write continuously. So all of you write continuously. Okay children, have you taken your classwork note? Okay, first of all you have to write today date and day. Write continuously, leave only one line and write second question. Before that you have to write today date and day. Okay, today date and day. All of you have to write today date and day. Okay, have you written? Okay, already you have finished first question answer. Yes, so leave one line and write second question. All of you leave one line and write second question. Margin க்கு வெளியில 2 போட்டுக்கோ. அப்புறம் margin குள்ள இதுல question answers எழுது. சரியா? How many sense organs do we have? How many sense organs do we have? Okay, the question is how many sense organs do we have? Okay, the question is how many sense organs do we have? Okay, so all of you write the spelling. HOWMANY. How many? HOWMANY. How many? ஒரு finger space விட்டுக்கோ. All of you leave one finger space. Okay, how many sense organs? SENSE, sense, SEN SES. Sense organs. 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 SENSE. Sense organs. 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 Do we have? DO. Do. WEB. HAVE. Have. Okay. HAVE. Have. How many sense organs do we have? HOWMANY. How many? SENSE. Sense. ORGANS. Organs. How many sense organs do we have? Do we have? DO. Do. WEB. HAVE. Have. Okay. Have you written question? Okay. Now write the answer. Okay. Next line. Okay. You have written question in line and you write the next line question answer. Okay. Answer அப்படின்னு போட்டுக்கோ. ANS. Answer அப்படின்னு போட்டுட்டு small dash. சின்னதா dash போட்டுக்கோ. Next write the answer. We have WEV. Have. 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 Have 5 sense organs. 5. FIVE. 5 sense organs. SENSE. 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 Sense organs. 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 We have 5 sense organs. WEV. HAVE. 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 FIVE. 5. SENSE. Sense organs. 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 We have 5 sense organs. Have you finished? Have you finished answers? Have you written second question and answer? How many sense organs do we have? The question, how many sense organs do we have? Okay, now answer. We have 5 sense organs. Okay, all of you read with me. Okay, all of you read with me. Okay, how many sense organs do we have? How many sense organs do we have? Answer. We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. All of you read. We have 5 sense organs. Read all of you question. How many sense organs do we have? Read the answer. We have 5 sense organs. Now can you read? Read all of you. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. Very good. All are reading nicely. Yes. Very good children. All are very good children. Okay. So all of you have to study also. Okay. இப்போ எல்லாருக்கும் ரீட் பண்ண தெரியும் அப்படிதானே? அதனால எல்லாரும் என்ன செய்யணும்? நல்லா கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சரை படித்து எழுதி பார்க்கணும். சரியா? எழுதி பார்த்து அந்த நோட் என்ன செய்யணும்? ஸ்கூலுக்கு வரும்போது கொண்டு வரணும். ஓகே, when you come to school bring that rough note also. Okay, now all of you study and write and see in your rough note. Okay, one question you have to study and write and see in your rough note. Okay, then when will you come to school you have to bring that note also. Okay, நீ ஸ்கூலுக்கு வரும்போது என்ன செய்யணும்? நோட்டையும் என்ன செய்யணும்? ரஃப் நோட்டையும் கொண்டு வரணும். சரியா? நீ எதெல்லாம் எழுதி பார்த்துருக்க, எப்படி எழுதி பார்த்துருக்க அப்படிங்கிறத மேம் செக் பண்ணுவேன். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ study and write and see every day and bring that note. When you come to school, bring that rough note. Okay, children? Now all of you read again one time. How many sense organs do we have? How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Okay, can you read all of you? Yes, very good. Now leave one line. Already you finished second question, yes? So leave one line and write third question. Okay? When you finish one question, you have to leave one line. Okay? So now second question finished. Yes? So you write one line and write third question. You leave one line and write third question. What are the 5 sense organs? What are the 5 sense organs? Okay? All of you write WHAT. What? WHAT. What? A or E or THE. The. FIVE. 5. FIVE. 5. FIVE. 5 sense organs. SENSE. 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 Sense organs. 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 Okay? ORGANS. Organs. Now read all of you. What are the 5 sense organs? All of you listen. What are the 5 sense organs? What are the 5 sense organs? All of you read the question. What are the 5 sense organs? Very good. Now all of you write the answer. Okay? Answer. The 5 sense organs. The THE. The 5 FIVE. 5 sense. 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 Sense organs. 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 Or A or E or eyes. 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 Comma. Nose. 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 Comma. EARS. 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 Comma. Tongue. 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 And 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 skin. 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 Okay? Did you write? Now read all of you. The 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Very good. All are reading very good. Yes? So read one more time. What are the 5 sense organs? The 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Very good. Now read again. What are the 5 sense organs? The 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Very good. All are reading nicely. So all of you have to study and write and see today classwork. Okay, children? Now have you finished third question? Okay, now fifth question. Okay, so leave one line and write fifth question. Okay, children? So leave one line. Have you completed 3 question answers? Now write, leave one line and write fourth question. Leave one line and write fourth question. Fourth question, what is the largest part of the human body? Fourth question, what? W-H-A-T, what? W-H-A-T, what? I-S is, T-H is the largest, L-A-R-G-E-S-T, largest, L-A-R-G-E-S-T, largest, P-A-R-T, part, O-F-F, largest part of the human body, O-F-F, T-H is the, T-H is the, H-U-M-A-N, human, H-U-M-A-N, human, body, B-O-D-Y, body, B-O-D-Y, body. Finish. What is the largest part of the human body? Have you written question? W-H-A-T, what? I-S is, T-H is the, L-A-R-G-E-S-T, largest, P-A-R-T, part, O-F-F, T-H is the, H-U-M-A-N, human, B-O-D-Y, body. Humans means மனிதர்கள், body means உடல். Okay, மனிதர்களோட உடல். மனிதர்களோட உடல்ல largest part, எது பெரிய உறுப்பு? Okay. Answer, leave one line and write the answer. Skin. The answer is only skin. Yes. What is the largest part of the human body? You have to cut the what and write skin. Answer is very easy. Only one word. Yes. So very easy. Yes. So write the answer now. A-S-K-I-N. Skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. I-S is, skin is, T-H is the, largest, L-A-R-G-E-S-T, largest, L-A-R-G-E-S-T, largest part, P-A-R-T, part, largest part, O-F-F, largest part of the human body, T-H is the, H-U-M-A-N, human, H-U-M-A-N, human, B-O-D-Y, body. Now I read, skin is the largest part of the human body. Okay, all of you listen. Now I read question and answer. After that you read. Okay, so all of you listen, children. What is the largest part of the human body? What is the largest part of the human body? Now answer. Skin is the largest part of the human body. Skin is the largest part of the human body. Okay, did you write question and answer, children? Now all of you read. Read question first. What is the largest part of the human body? Very good. Now write answer. Skin is the largest part of the human body. Very good, children. All are reading nicely. Yes, you are very good, children. Yes. So all of you, can you read now? Right, read again. What is the largest part of the human body? Skin is the largest part of the human body. Very good, children. Now all of you can know read today 3 question answer. Yes, can you read 3 question answer? Yes, all of you see your classwork note. Second question, keep your finger on the note. Second question, உன்னோட கையை அதில் வச்சு ரீட் பண்ண எல்லாரும். How many HOWMANY? Yes, how many sense organs do we have? Second question, how many sense organs do we have? Now read answer. We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Now third question. What are the 5 sense organs? What are the 5 sense organs? The answer, the 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. The 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Very good. All are reading nicely. Yes. Then fourth question, keep your finger. Fourth question. What is the largest part of the human body? Answer, skin is the largest part of the human body. Very good. All are reading very nicely. Yes. So already in the previous class I gave first question, fill in the blanks. Yes, that all your classwork. Yes, in the previous class. Did you study that all? Fill in the blanks, missing letter, jumble letter. Only one question I gave in the last class. Yes, did you study? Did you study? Yes, very good. So every day you have to study, every day classwork and write. Okay, all of you study and write every day. Study and write your rough note and correct yourself. Okay, நீயே எழுதி படிச்சு ஒவ்வொரு கொஸ்டினா எழுதி பார்த்துட்டு என்ன செய்யணும், அதை நீயே கரெக்ஷன் பண்ணணும். நோட்டை பார்த்து கரெக்டாக எழுதியிருக்கோமா அப்படின்னு என்ன செய்யணும், கரெக்ஷன் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, மிஸ்டேக் இருந்ததுன்னா திருப்பி திருப்பி எழுதி பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, இஃப் யூ கெட் ஒன் மிஸ்டேக் ஆல்சோ யூ ஹாவ் டு ரைட் again and again. Okay, then only the mistake will not come. Okay, திருப்பி திருப்பி எழுதி பார்த்தா தான் என்ன வராது, wrongs, தப்பு வராது. ஓகே, so all of you every day study and write the classwork. Study and write the classwork in your rough note. Okay, படிச்சு எழுதி பார்க்கணும். சரியா, நீ இதுக்கு முன்னாடி உள்ள கிளாஸ் ஒர்க்லாம் படிச்சுட்டு எழுதுனே. இன்னைக்கு எல்லாரும் செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின், தேர்ட் கொஸ்டின் அண்ட் ஃபோர்த் கொஸ்டின், this 3 question answer today itself. ஓகே, இன்னைக்கே படிச்சு எழுதிரு. சரியா, இன்னைக்கே படிச்சு ரஃப் நோட்ல எழுதி பார்த்து. சரியா, எழுதி பார்த்து அந்த ரஃப் நோட்டை என்ன செய்யணும், when you come to school you bring that note. Okay, நீ ஸ்கூலுக்கு வரும்போது நீ எழுதி பார்த்த அந்த ரஃப் நோட்டை என்ன செய்யணும், ஸ்கூலுக்கு கொண்டு வரும். மேம் பார்ப்பேன். சரியா, நீ இப்படிலாம் எழுதி பார்த்துருக்க அப்படிங்கிறத மேம் வந்து பார்ப்பேன். ஓகே, so all of you every day study and write in your rough note. Okay children, now have you finished your classwork? Then you take your homework page. கிளாஸுக்கு ஹோம்ஒர்க்கு ஒரே நோட்டு தான் ஆடுதுன்னு, சோஷியல் சயின்ஸுக்கு நமக்கு ஒரே ஒரு நோட்டு தான் ஆடுதுன்னு. ஃப்ரண்ட் சைடில் கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் எழுதணும், பேக் சைடில் ஹோம்ஒர்க் எழுதணும் ஆடுதுன்னு. ஸோ நவ் ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ டேக் யுவர் ஹோம்ஒர்க் பேஜஸ். நான் ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கேன், நோட்டை ரெண்டாக பிரிச்சுட்டு ஒரு பார்ட்டை கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் யூஸ் பண்ணணும், இன்னொரு பார்ட்டை ஹோம்ஒர்க் யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னேன் அப்படிதானே. எல்லோரும் அப்படி தானே பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. ஓகே, வெரி குட். நவ் டேக் யுவர் ஹோம்ஒர்க் பார்ட். Have you taken your homework? Yes. Now all of you write today date and day. இன்னைக்குள்ள டேட்டையும் டேயும் எழுது ஃபர்ஸ்டா. Yes, very good. Have you written? Okay, now write only one line leave and write. Okay, every day you have to leave one line and write. Okay, every day classwork and homework, leave one line and write. Okay children, that is your regular habits. Okay, you have to follow every day. Okay, you have to follow every day this regular habits. Okay, now find and write, fill in the blanks. Leave one line and write, find and write, fill in the blanks. Touch the line and write. Okay, யாரும் மேலே லைனுக்கு மேலேயோ கீழேயோ எழுதக்கூடாது. லைனை டச் பண்ணி அழகாக நீட்டாக எழுதணும். சரியாடா? கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் நோட்டு ஹோம் ஒர்க் நோட்டு எப்பவுமே எப்படி இருக்கணும்? பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக இருக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ ரைட் நீட்லி. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன்? Okay, write find and find, find, and and write, 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 fill, fill, in, the, blanks, fill in the blanks. Find and write, fill in the blanks. Have you written? Next, book page number 11 and 12. Now I am giving some questions. These questions, the answers will be there in your book page number 11 and 12. Okay, the page number 11 and 12. You have to find the answer from the book page number 11 and 12. Okay children, now we have to write first fill up. Number 1, leave one line and write number 1. Our hands. O-U-R, our. O-U-R, our. H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D-S, hands. H-A-N-D-S, hands. Help. H-E-L-P, help. H-E-L-P, help. U-S-S, T-O-2, our hands help us to dash. Our hands help us to dash. Finish. Next is second fill up. Leave one line and write second fill in the blanks. Leave one line and write second one. Our legs. O-U-R, our. L-E-G-S, legs. Our legs. Our legs help us. H-E-L-P, help. H-E-L-P, help. U-S-S, help us to, T-O-2, dash. Our legs help us to dash. Our legs help us to dash. Very good. Did you finish? Then third fill up. Okay, leave one line and write third fill up. Our nose help us to dash. O-U-R, our. O-U-R, our. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. H-E-L-P, H-E-L-P, S, nose. Sorry, helps. H-E-L-P-S, helps. U-S-S, T-O-2, dash. Our nose helps us to dash. Finish? Did you finish third fill up? Now leave one line and write fourth one. Our skin, O-U-R, our. S-K-I-N, skin. S-K-I-N, skin. Helps. H-E-L-P-S, helps. H-E-L-P-S, helps. U-S-S, T-O-2, dash. Our skin helps us to dash. Our skin helps us to dash. Did you finish? Then fifth fill up. Leave one line and write fifth fill up. We have W-E-V, W-E-V, H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. Dash, sense organs. S-E-N-S-E, sense. S-E-N-S-E, sense. O-R-G-A-N-S, organs. We have dash sense organs. We have dash sense organs. Okay, have you written? Have you written 5 fill-ups, children? Okay, these all the answers. You have to find the answer from the book page numbers 11 and 12. Okay, don't ask to the answer in your parent. Okay, don't ask answers in your parent. You only find the answer from the book and write. Okay, write correct answer. யார்ட்டையும் கேட்கக்கூடாது. உங்கள் அம்மாட்டையோ உங்கள் அப்பாட்டையோ அண்ணன்ட்டே தம்பிட்டையோ யார்ட்டையுமே கேட்கக்கூடாது. ஓகே, நீ தான் ஆன்சரை ஃபைன் பண்ணணும். புக்கை ரீட் பண்ணி என்ன செய்யணும்? ஆன்சரை ஃபைன் பண்ணி கரெக்டாக எழுதணும். ஓகேடா? யார்ட்டையும் கேட்டு ஆன்சர் எழுதக்கூடாது. ஓகே, யூ ஒன்லி ஃபைண்ட் த ஆன்சர் ஃப்ரம் த book page number 11 and 12. Very easy only, you can find. Yes, you can do it. Yes, so you find the answer and write the correct answer. Okay, children, next we will see our next class. Okay, so all of you, today 3 question answer I gave the homework. Yes, that 3 question answer you have to study and write and see in your rough note, and bring that rough note when you come to school. Bring it that. Okay, I have to see that. Okay, children, now we will see our next class. Okay, bye.